Hey, what's going on out there? This is Jock Wakefield with another video, and what I want to talk to y'all today is incredible, highly responsive, safelist community. And the name of the safelist is called List Avail. You might have seen this around, I don't know, but it's a good place to get your website seen. You have other members sending you emails, and you can look at those emails and build up credits. You can always buy advertising and upgrade right here, as you can see. You also can become an affiliate, which I highly recommend that you do. When you sign up, you'll automatically get a link though. But Listed Veil is a real good, responsive, safe list. Now, some people know I promote safe lists and traffic exchanges. Now, I already know that there are hundreds out there, but I don't promote every single safe list and traffic exchange under the sun. I only promote the ones that has a good, responsive community and places where I've gotten getting great results. So I'm not going to do a video about every single safe list and every single traffic exchange that exists. I only do the ones where I have gotten great results or am currently getting great results. So I want to be clear about that. But yeah, Listed Veil though, it's been around a few years. It's not as old as some of the other safe lists, but I would highly recommend you sign up for free. And if you think it's working for you, I would urge you to upgrade or buy some advertising if you're real busy, because you might not be able to just be there to click on ads and build up credits. But yeah, Listed Veil is awesome. It's free to sign up. So, I'm not going to make a long video about it. I would just say uh, it's another traffic source that you can add to your arsenal or empire, because, you could be doing something else. But yeah, it just could be an addition to what you already doing. So I'm going to put a link below. I'm also going to put a link below to my blog so y'all can see what I got going on. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell and get signed up with List Avail for free. Y'all have a wonderful day. Peace.